Welcome to Augustine's Educational Studio. In this video on whole numbers for Junior Secondary School 1, we will explore the foundations of arithmetic to help you build a strong mathematical base. This video is divided into two main parts. First, we will cover the building blocks, like whole numbers and their systems. Second, we will look at properties, operations, factors,
Let's begin
and more.
with Section 1, the origins of counting and our basic number systems. What exactly is a
Simply
whole
put,
number?
they are positive integers that include 0. They do not contain fractions, decimals, or negative numbers. The counting set starts at 0 and continues upward. Counting has evolved over thousands of years: Hindu Arabic and Roman numerals.
The primary difference lies in their structure. The Hindu-Arabic system uses place value and 10 digits, where a digit's value changes based on its position. Conversely, the Roman system uses specific letters to represent constant
Ranging
values.
from I for 1 to M for 1,000. Moving on to Section 2, we will look at place value and how to read large numbers. In our base 10 system, every digit holds a specific position. For example, in 3,805, the 3 is in the thousands place, the 8 is in the hundreds, 0 in the tens, and 5 in the units. Large numbers are structured by grouping digits into clusters of 3 from the right. This makes reading and understanding multi-digit numbers much easier. To convert figures to words, use the grouping rule. Read each group of 3 as its own number, then add the group's name, such as thousand or million. When translating words back into figures, watch out for placeholder zeros. If a place value is missing, you must use 0 to ensure the final number is correct. Now, let's transition to Section 3, exploring factors, multiples, prime, and composite numbers. A factor is a whole number that divides into another perfectly without leaving a remainder. For instance, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Remember, every number has at least 1 and itself as factors. Moving on to multiples, which are created by multiplying a number by any whole number. It is just like skip counting. For example, the multiples of 5 include 5, 10, 15, and so on. Unlike factors, multiples go on forever. Next, we explore prime numbers. A prime number is special because it has exactly 2 factors, 1 and itself. Notice that 1 is not a prime number because it only has 1 factor. Also, remember that 2 is the only even prime number. In contrast, composite numbers are numbers that have more than 2 factors. They can be built by multiplying prime numbers together. For example, 4, 6, 8, and 9 are all composite because they have additional factors. To find the lowest common multiple, or LCM, of two numbers like 4 and 6, first list their multiples. The smallest number they both share is their LCM. In this case, 12 is the lowest common multiple. Similarly, the highest common factor, or HCF, is the largest factor that two numbers share. For 12 and 18, the common factors are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Therefore, the highest common factor is 6. Now, let's enter Section 4, arithmetic operations and the BODMAS rule. BODMAS is essential for global consistency in calculations. It tells us the priority sequence: brackets, orders or powers, division, multiplication, addition, and finally, when subtraction. Solving an equation, always follow the BODMAS order. For example, in 12 plus 8 divided by 2, you must divide first to get 4, then add 12 to get 16. Working left to right without this order would result in an incorrect answer. Moving to Section 5, we will discuss estimation and rounding of whole numbers. Rounding simplifies numbers for quick estimates. Use the golden threshold of 5. If the next digit is 5 or more, round up. If it is less than 5, round down. Here is a quick quiz to help you practice what we have covered, from place value to BODMAS and Roman numerals. Try these in your exercise books to reinforce your learning.
Please note that this content is protected by copyright law and is intended for standard YouTube teaching and private study only. Commercial use or unauthorized distribution is strictly prohibited.
If you got something from this video, please do well to subscribe, like, and share.